Understanding romantic nicknames, the use of boo.
Hello and welcome everyone. Today, we are diving into a fascinating topic, the intriguing world of pet names in relationships. Specifically, we'll explore the use of the term boo as a form of endearment. Let's understand what this term means, how it is used, and what cultural connotations it might have.
What does boo mean?
To start with, boo is indeed a term of endearment often used in a romantic context. Boo is an affectionate nickname that you might call someone you're in a close relationship with, like a significant other. It carries a sense of warmth, closeness, and affection, much like terms such as sweetheart, babe, or darling.
Where does boo come from?
The term boo has some interesting roots. It is thought to derive from the French word beau, which means beautiful. Over time and with a blend of cultural influences, beau transformed into boo, particularly within African American Vernacular English, AAVE. It was further popularized by mainstream media, particularly in music and movies.
How and when to use boo?
It's important to remember that while boo is a term of affection, its use depends on personal and cultural comfort levels. Not everyone might feel comfortable being referred to as boo, and it's always respectful to check with the other person before using such nicknames. Just like any other term of endearment, it's usually reserved for private or casual conversations between two people who share a close bond. So, in summary, boo is indeed a term of endearment often used within romantic relationships. It has a rich history and its use symbolizes a certain degree of affection and intimacy between two people. As with all language, its use should be respectful and consensual. We hope this video has helped clarify the use of boo, and perhaps even inspired you to explore the rich world of romantic nicknames further. Thank you for joining us.